guys, it's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. This probably won't be uploaded on actual Christmas Day, but today's technically Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas, guys. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What up? Thank you for joining in my crazy family. Well, today, guys, once again, I'm using my beautiful and amazing James Morphe Palette. Okay, yeah. So, I use this palette today to do my eyes. This is not a full tutorial. This is only just me doing the eyes. And then, yeah. But if you want to see how I got this simple but complicated pink eye with this James Morphe palette, stay tuned. Hey, girl.
Girl, what are you doing? Ain't you supposed to be getting ready for Vlogmas?
Oh my God, it is almost Vlogmas, huh? Oh my God, I so forgot. Oh my God.
Oh my God, goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Tell him I said it. He was talking loud at first, but you can see that he did it. You can see I ain't sweating. Hell, I call him up myself and tell him how he did it. No, please, don't confuse me, miss. I'm trying to see how.
Okay, so I'm going to start out with the bright orange in the top row of the James Morphe palette. And I'm just going to pat it and put it in my crease. It's going to be like my transition crease color. I'm only using 2 colors in this, so it's actually pretty easy. Go ahead and blend her out because since we're only using 2 colors and this is a very matte look, we need everything to be seamless and nice.
Grind like that to shine like this in a matter of time I spent on some locked up shit in the back of the paddy wagon, cuffs locked on wrist. See my dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do.
I clearly think I'm a rapper, y'all, but don't mind me. I'm just gonna start packing on this pink. Like I've told you guys before with this James Morphe palette, you have to like build blend because these are pigments. So I'm gonna be doing that for the most part. Since I'm only using 2 colors, you're gonna build and blend a whole lot, like a whole lot. And like I said before, don't let these edited videos take you away from that. This actually took a lot of time. These pressed pigments are hard to work with unless you really know what you're doing. Again, I don't really know what I'm doing, so it's taking me longer than normal. But once we master it, I'm pretty sure it won't take as long. So just continue to pack, press, blend, pack, press until you get your desired look, guys. And as you can see, I'm going with a really light hand. Now I'm going back in with that orange to blend out those edges. Yeah, you just gotta make sure everything looks real nice and crisp, y'all. As you can see, while I'm blending it, the color is kind of fading away. So that's where that pack and blend comes in. Ooh, get it, girl. I don't even know what song was on, but I was feeling it. Okay. And you know, you just got to go back in and just keep building. It'll eventually come out really popping. But these shadows in this palette, I need to talk to James himself so he could really just like give me a one-on-one because I'd be confused. But yeah, just as you can see, I'm using a different lip brush because I felt like it was a little more, I guess, dense for the eyeshadow pigments. So yeah, y'all, just pack and blend, pack and blend, pack and blend. That's my only real pointer that I can give you when it comes to these shadows is pack and blend. As you can see now, the colors are like really intensified. So I'm going to go in with this smaller blending brush just to get the edges. But it doesn't really take away the color, which I really, really like. Even though I do want the pink a little more intensified, I'm going to pack some more on. But I like this technique right here where I use the small blending brush ink pack because it doesn't really take the color away. I'm just getting those rough edges. Nothing major. And then here I'm taking a thinner brush and just going around those pink edges to make sure everything is blended. And really, really nice to get in those smaller areas that bigger brush can't get into. And it's actually really beautiful. And now I'm just going to clean up any fallout or anything I may have with just a makeup wipe.
Did y'all like this look? Was you feeling this, sis? Like, I got my Aaliyah face dots. My eyebrows is low-key fleeky today, okay? Lashes is on point. I'm feeling this look, sis. What up, sis? I'm good, sis. Can I play it? Just keep in touch, in touch. But yeah, if you like this look, make sure you give me a like. Make sure you comment if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already, okay? And guess what, girl? Go ahead and share it with your sis, your bestie for the restie, your cousin, whoever that you talk to often. Call them up. Hey, sis, guess what, sis? Nia uploaded a video. Go watch it. Go support a fellow up-and-coming beauty guru, black girl, a girl that's out here trying to get it and be on her shit, sis. Go support. That's what you should tell your family. That's what you should tell them. I haven't really done an intro or outro in so long. Like, I just feel like I'm like, what do I do? What do I say? How do I act? I love my YouTube fam. I love y'all. I thank y'all for supporting me. Even the people that is not subscribed but you still watch my videos, you're technically still supporting me. So thank you for the view. I appreciate you for coming and stopping by to see this face. You know, you're amazing. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap this up really quickly. I hope you guys like this look. If you want to see a different look using the James palette, go ahead and tag it below. DM me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Alright guys, again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Come interact with me, come have some fun. I have fun, I respond to everybody. I'm lit, I'm sure you lit. I love you guys so much. Ta-ta.